Pinch punch, not even close to first of the month. I've been super busy with the GPSR, the European thing. Check my videos, but I thought this was a good time to look into the trends to see those last minute keywords for Christmas. Super important. So this is going to be a good deal different from what it usually is. Sure, we're going to start. No, we're going to start. In fact, let's scroll down to having a look at trending on Etsy right now, the past 7 days. I think it's really important to look at the keywords. We'll dig deep, but let's just look at just now. The past 7 days, what's been trending? Gifts for him. Now, I think a lot of these are Etsy inspired, Etsy on the dashboard type searches, but it does tell. Basically, Etsy puts a load of stuff on the dashboard. If someone clicks on it, it populates a search page. So this is saying that people are clicking on links that are taking them to gifts for him. So number one, people are searching for men just now, and personalized gifts and gifts. Wall art. So, can you do personalized wall art as a gift for him? Now, we are in the last moments of Christmas shopping, holiday shopping, because there's more than Christmas going on just now. We're in the last moments of holiday shopping. So is there something you can do? Now, this could be really good for digital sellers if you have time to do personalized or custom just now. Obviously, if you're really busy, nix it. Could we do a wall art gift for him? But great. Arcane, if that's how you say it. No, that's a TV show from a game. Don't touch it. People are searching. But yeah, I don't want you guys getting in trouble. Earrings, popular as always. So as a last minute gift, if you can ship really local, but we're getting to the end of that. I'm going to say, what can you do that's digital downloads just now? Or can you make gift cards for your own shop? Anyway, we've looked there. We're going to quickly look at the monthly trends. What is trending for November, because we haven't done that. I usually do a rundown of the top 20, so we'll have a quick look. So gift, Christmas, obviously, gifts for him. Again, digital downloads of Christmas decor, Christmas cards, Christmas invites, all those kind of things. Jewelry, yeah, unless it's a gift card, probably forget about it for most of us. Gifts for her, gifts, stickers. And digital stickers are a popular thing, but people like stickers, and they're probably starting to look at them for their New Year planners as well. Let's see when the peak was last year. Yeah, January last year was the peak for stickers. Now, year on year, things are down a bit, but if you have stickers, get them listed right now. If you've had some reasonable sales this Christmas period, this holiday period, then you'll have some momentum and you might catch that peak. So stickers, I think we'll dive deep into that one. Christmas ornaments, they're going to have to be digital just now, but people can print things out, SV files. A lot of people on Etsy are crafty. Don't forget about that. Advent calendar, love it. What? Seriously, yeah, November is the peak. It's down a bit, but there's such cute advent calendars. And the thing is, people do search not for the word necessary advent calendars, but for advent calendars for a run up to an important birthday, for Halloween, for all sorts of things. Out of nowhere is ornament just now. Absolutely. We'll just remember these for last year. What I want to do, let's do the trend buzz. This is my eRank expert account, by the way. I also work for eRank, but everything here is me. So what I want to do, let's do these real last minute. What was trending yesterday by people searching in the USA? So if you can do last minute things, let's figure out what is going to be the last minute thing to catch those last buyers. Because the good thing, like my shop's in vacation mode. I had a terrible year, but a lot of the big sellers have sold so much their shop is in vacation mode. So guys who didn't do so good can pick up the slack if you can. Don't promise things you can't, but bear in mind that people buy things that aren't necessarily needed for Christmas. Their wallet's out, they might just be buying something for themselves. So, personalised gift. That is something potentially either with a gift card, an Etsy gift message that can be a good last minute gift. If you let people know you can't personalize it in time for Christmas, but it could still be a late present. People go to visit people for the holidays after the holidays have happened. Keychain was at number 2. Very interesting. Coach. I have literally no idea. Is it like a Coach bag? I've heard of that. I don't buy expensive bags. Embroidery is at number 4. Now that is dropping, but it's currently hot. That means, it's been hot in the past few days. So good to know. Embroidery patterns and all that jazz. Bracelets, when does that peak? Bracelets peaked in January. So thinking again, people are searching just now. If you get a few sales for bracelets in, you might catch the peak in January. I have no idea what that is. Rouge Lash? No idea, but it did a peak of 10 searches. I have no idea what that is. Doll, that's cute. Rug. Yep, people are decorating their house. That kind of new year, new home. People do buy home things in the new year, so think of that. Disney will gloss over. If you choose to get yourself sued, so be it, but I'm saying no. Keycaps, yep. These have been popular for a couple of years now. Resin makers, resin keycaps is super popular just now. Wall art, we saw that earlier, and that's rising again, so that's good. Wallet, home decor. Wow, Etsy must be pushing home. If you have any stuff, home decor or whatever, don't just use the word home in your tags or something, but beautiful gifts for a new home decor gifts. Don't know what Etsy's showing there, but yeah. Akatar, again, that's a book series. I think you can get licensed for that. I think my friend Starla's got a license for that. Doing nicely. Coasters, Arcane, there we said that jumped out of nowhere. Snoopy, cute. Don't think that's in the public domain yet. It'd be cool if it is, but I'm pretty sure it's not. Keyboard. So can you make the keycaps to go on the keyboard and make the keyboard as well? That has come out of nowhere. Why are people coming to Etsy for electricals? No idea. Godzilla, it's a popular term all the time. Super interesting. Right, but I said stickers are looking good, so let's see if there's any fun with that. Oh, in fact, I've had a thinking. It didn't take too long. Okay, let's use the keyword tool beta, because I want to show you some fun features that make all this even easier. So I had searched for stickers, but I want sticker. Let's hope this is so we can see the trend. Last January was fantastic. Most of the searches are for the US and other places worldwide. Interesting. But right, what we can do here that's fun. So I do want to filter by search trend, as in the stuff that's kicking off the best just now. But firstly, I want to get rid of everything that say every competition that's really massive. Let's get rid of that. The stuff that we can't rank for. Now, it doesn't hurt to look at that every now and again. Absolutely not. But you can rank for some of the high ones if you have a really great product. But let's see if there's anything cool. Now, I am assuming these first things. Hello Kitty, definitely. I assume that's some kind of copyrighted thing. Jeep's copyright. Okay, so was that the 5th most searched for? Loving this. Reasonable search volume, but not too much, is Goblincore. And that is interesting in itself. Should we dig it? I think, yeah, Delicious in Dungeons, probably a game or something. But let's dig into Goblincore. I haven't looked at that before. So Goblincore, yeah, it was last year was doing better, but it's still getting some good searches. Competition's not awful. Good grief, all sorts of things. So Goblincore wallet, Goblincore clothing, yeah, I can see that being a thing. Not massively searched for, just Goblincore itself is what people are searching for. Looks like there's a good bit of clothing there, a bit of competition. But if you make like Goblincore decor and you do really, really well, because that has a much lower search volume, so when people search for it, it's getting the lucky. People aren't searching all the time, but when people search for it, if your items are really cool, then Etsy will start to push people your way. You'll start to make some sales and you might start to show up for Goblincore. But yeah, definitely Goblincore gift, perfect for this time of year. It's got a little bit of searches, but okay, Goblincore, a bit of fun if you're looking for something. It was good last year. It might do okay, and we did see it pop up in the stickers thing. So Goblincore stickers. We know earrings are popular. Hey, give it, if it fits in with your shop, have a go at Goblincore stickers. I mean, to be honest, if you had a lot of cottagecore things and fairycore or whatever it was called, Goblincore can sort of fit into that if you just darken it up a wee bit. So nice to know. How is cottagecore going? Haven't looked at that for ages. I think it still exists. Yeah, it had a little peak in September, so cottagecore is still around. Still reasonable searches, very high competition. So, what are people searching? Yeah, we know gifts for her. Cottagecore crochet patterns. Guys, yeah, sure. The competition for crochet pattern is high, but the competition for a cottagecore crochet pattern, whatever that would be. So you see how witches are. So the Goblincore fitting into the witches thing. Mushrooms fits into Goblincore. It fits into cottagecore. Mushrooms by itself has been massive. Mushroom lamps, mushroom decor. Wow, loads of stuff. Flowers, goblin-y flowers. Whimsigoth. Yeah, oh, that one's picking up as well. We might be onto some. I'm just showing you quickly how I do searches for things. Right, Whimsicore kicking up just now. Whimsigoth, sorry, not Whimsicore. Whimsigoth, super popular just now. Interesting. So yes, Whimsigoth decor is a big one. I want to. What we can look at is the top listings here and see what. Yes, so Whimsigoth, that is the top thing ranking just now, is a mushroom looking iPhone cover. Baby Whimsigoth. Oh my god, Skull and Flowers baby blanket. I love you guys. That's ranking number 2. Yeah, lots of mushrooms. So, oh, look at this. Number 3. Look at the title. Now, we know I don't like keyword stuff titles, but I like this because, look, Whimsigoth, mushroom, cottagecore, dark floral, Goblincore, tarot style. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Interesting. And look at that. It's showing estimated 56 sales. It's doing okay. I mean, you need a few of these to make a living, but it's doing okay. Very interesting. So, yeah, maybe if you jumped on the Whimsigoth without the too high competition and the Goblincore, see how you can combine all of them together. Very interesting. I hope that helps. As ever, just to inspire with some ideas. I actually got some ideas there, some ideas for next year. I really want to make some goblins now. Totally need to do that. Okay, I hope that helped. I hope that was a bit of fun. I actually really enjoyed that. It's a bit of light relief. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.